Welcome back, class 8. In the previous topic, we learned about energy transformation and conservation of energy. Today, we will learn about one more physical quantity, power, and its relationship with energy. And in that way, we will know what is the difference between power and energy. So, first things first, let us define energy and let us define power. Now, we already have defined energy previous class also. Energy is the capacity of a body to do work. Okay, the capacity that a body has to do any kind of work is called energy. Now, energy can be due to the position of a body or due to motion of a body. Okay, that we have learned in the past. Now, what is power? Simply put, power means how fast or how slowly the work is done. Okay, the work, how fast or how slowly it is done, it determines the power. So the formula for power is P equals to work divided by time. Okay, since work's relation is there with time, how fast or how slow the work is done. So the power's formula is work divided by time. And the SI unit of power, according to the formula only, the SI unit is work's SI unit is joules times SI unit is seconds. So we write joules per second, or you can write it in your decimal notation, a power notation in this way: joules second to the power of -1. Okay, it is pronounced as joules per second, but joules per second has another name, watt, and this is the general unit that is followed in SI unit, watt, and in short form we write capital W. Like joules we write in short capital J, just like that watt is written as capital W. Okay, you remember James Watt, he had invented steam engine, so after his name only is the unit of power given. Okay, now to understand this power, let us see this example. Now we have two examples over here. Okay, as you can see, let's see the first example. In the first example, let 100 joule of work be done in 20 seconds. Okay, a work of 100 joules takes 20 seconds to be done. Then how much will be the power? According to the formula, power equals to work by time. Work is 100, time is 20 second. So 100 joules divided by 20 second is 100 divided by 20 is 5 joules per second, or we can write 5 watt. Joules per second, another name is watt. So 5 watt. So example 1, the power is 5 watt. Now in the example 2, same work, 100 joules of work is now done in not 20 but 10 seconds, lesser time. So how much will be the power? So power is 100 joules divided by 10 seconds. So 100 by 10 is 10. 10 tens are 100. So power is 10 joules per second or 10 watts. So in first example we saw power was 5 watt, and in the second example we saw power was 10 watt. So obviously 10 watt is more. And as we had discussed, what is power? How fast or how slowly the work is done. Okay, so 100 joule of work over here in example 1, it took 20 seconds to do. So the value of power is less. Same 100 joule of work took 10 seconds to do. Now the power is double than the first example. In the first example 5 watt, in second example 10 watt, double. So the faster you do the work, more is the power, as you can see from this example. So power output in the second example was more. So now you see the difference between energy and power. Energy is the capacity of the body to do work, whereas power means how fast or how slow that work is done. Now to put the difference between power and energy, I am going to write these differences in column form for us to understand in a better way. Okay, here is the difference given to us in column. So in the left column I have written for energy, and the right column is power. Energy is the work done on the object or by the object. Okay, Energy is the work done on the object or by the object. Power is how fast or how slow that work is done. Second difference between energy and work is energy can be stored. You can store energy, like you eat food, you store energy within you, and you can use that energy stored within you to do any kind of work later on. You can store that energy. Okay. Likewise, you can store any form of energy. Electrical energy can be stored to convert it into mechanical energy, and there are other examples that we had learned in transformation of energy. So energy can be stored, and with that stored energy you can do work later on. But power cannot be stored. Okay, power is just measured by calculating how fast or slow that work is done. Power cannot be stored. You cannot store power now and do the work later on. You cannot store any sort of power. Third difference is the SI unit. The SI unit of energy is joules, which is capital J. SI unit of power is watt, which is capital W. So these are the differences that are there between energy and power.